Good morning, everybody, and how is everybody today? I hope everybody is well and enjoying the day. What I'd like to talk to you about today is what's known as Egg Bung. Now, the trouble with Egg Bung is the cause of Egg Bung could be anything from maybe, this happens obviously with female budgies, and with Egg Bung it means that an egg gets trapped within the body and won't come out, it won't be released. And the sad thing about a budgie that has or is suffering from Egg Bung is it's fatal. More times than not, it's fatal if it's not treated or it's not put out. Now, years ago when I was a little girl, which is quite a long time now, we had a budgie and that was the cause of her death. It was a female budgie we had, and she was a beautiful yellow budgie. Her name was Tammy. And one morning, we walked in the room and unveiled her cage, and she was dead. And what it was, I mean, we didn't realise it at the time. She was laying eggs, and she didn't have a partner to have babies with. And so her bottom, the signs of Egg Bung is that her bottom was constipated. And we started finding tiny little eggs in a cage every so often. And it was just so sad. I must have cried about a week then. And so that was her end, but it opened my eyes for sure about female budgies. Sammy, as you know, is a female budgie. So I'm constantly making sure she has the right diet. I believe with Egg Bung, it could be to do with diet, or even the budgie is very, very hormonal. And if the budgie is very, very hormonal, then it's probably better to get a partner for your female budgie. So, and to know that when your bird's in season, the seer, which is over the beak, it gets very, very brown. I really hope this helps people to watch out for the signs of Egg Bung, because I wasn't aware of it when I was a child until it did happen. So I hope you have a lovely day. Sammy's not on my shoulder today. She's over there on a cage, on a perch, aren't you? Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you her, Sammy. There she is. She's very well. Oops. She's very well. Okay. So, I hope this helps people. Obviously, with budgies and the diet, you can find that on another video on my channel. So, I hope that helps. Okay, see you again soon. Bye.